Hi and welcome to this screencast on threat modeling and attack simulation using securiCAD. My name is Joar Jacobson and I work with education, documentation and customer delivery. In this screencast series, I'd like to introduce and give an initial orientation in securiCAD Enterprise. Some of the main functionality of securiCAD Enterprise is to let you organize your models into projects and run and compare different attack simulations so that you can evaluate different results. You will also get suggested mitigations that are relevant to your particular model and they are based on the attack simulation findings. It will also be your main tool for incorporating external data like network scans into your models. But in this first screencast on securiCAD Enterprise, I will limit myself to uploading a model and running a simulation. So I start by signing in. The first page I see when I am logged in is the Your Projects page here. So there's a lot of previous project I've been working with here. So I go for New Project and I type a name here, Testing 01, Screencast Demo project, and I can select an organization here called, for instance, demo. So I click create project. I also see that it is ending up here, testing 01. The first page we see when clicking on the testing 01 project is holding two lists, one for models where we can upload our models and one for scenarios, where scenarios are reflecting different things we want to analyze with our models. And that also means that this list of scenarios is where we will find our simulations later on. For this getting started example, so to say, I would like to use the Community Edition example model. So I go for upload and I select this securiCAD file here and I go for open and add model. So now when I have this Community Edition example model in my models collection, I can select it and I click on Start Scenario. The suggested scenario name here, Analyzing Community Edition Example Model, is fine for now. And we could also put a scenario description if we like, but we go for Submit instead. And there we have it. We also see that it says no data to display, and that is because it is currently simulating. But if we reload here, we see that there is a simulation called Initial Simulation that has finished on August 23rd, 2019, and that is just about now. So this means that we have our first simulation in securiCAD Enterprise, and we can click on this report icon here, and that will bring us to a report that is quite similar to the report we saw in the Community Edition to some extent, but we also see that there are additional features here like the suggested mitigations and missing objects list. And these are interesting topics that we will cover in an upcoming screencast. Thank you for listening.